Hi, everybody. A little update on what I had put out earlier this morning about the Boston bomb suspect number 2 that had been captured hiding in a boat there in Watertown. The thing that really got my blood boiling today was the fact that you had Lindsey Graham, John McCain, and Representative King come out and say that this man should be stripped of his constitutional rights and be held under the NDAA, basically as a enemy combatant. Uh, First of all, I find the timing of this whole thing suspect, uh, being that all this has been groundwork has been put into place just recently, and suddenly we have our first uh, candidate for this type of unconstitutional activity. Extremely disturbing to me, makes me very angry. I got in an argument this morning with somebody that said, oh, of course he should have his rights stripped away. He's killed lots of people. Well, we have lots of murders in the United States. We have lots of crimes committed, and nobody that I know of has been stripped of their constitutional rights to fair and speedy trial. They want to interrogate this man, not give him his Miranda rights. And really, really disturbing that this would be going on, especially we have senators and representatives from Congress claiming that this can be done to an American citizen. The other thing that I find very interesting is that these two suspects, the one that was killed and the one that they're holding now, uh, were naturalized citizens that the suspect number two, it appears that he became an American citizen last year on September 11th, which is kind of a weird date, but uh, in any case, he is an American citizen by law. And the thing that I find a little bit disturbing and a little bit ironic is the fact that this guy was originally from another country, became an American citizen, but I find that a lot of people probably and think that a lot of people probably will look down on this guy and not give him the full credit that they would any other American citizen, thus kind of putting him on the fringe of well, he's a little bit different, and so he should have his rights stripped from his constitutional rights stripped from him. A very dangerous precedent, people, when we start letting the people on the margins be taken. Uh, Parallels can be drawn to the Nazi times when the Jews were taken out and nobody said anything. Political prisoners were taken out and nothing was said. Uh, so my point being that if we're willing to let any American citizen, no matter what their status, be stripped of their constitutional rights, sooner or later, inexorably, that will move into the mainstream people also. Where do you draw the line on who has constitutional rights as an American citizen and who doesn't? So a very, very disturbing situation to me. I'm very upset about it, and the timing is very suspect. And I've said on a couple of my videos in the past and made lots of comments on YouTube about the fact that timing is everything. So think about what's going on, do your own research. If you liked what you've heard, subscribe, pass this video on, and tell your friends, have the political discussions that need to be had on this. But if we don't adhere to the Constitution and Bill of Rights, then what do we adhere to? All right, everybody, you have a good one now.